In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Nvidia drivers in Windows 11. So this is very simple, just follow me. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Nvidia Geforce Experience. Then go to the first link, which is from the nvidia.com website, which says Geforce Experience, and press it. And then right in the big menu over here, it says download now. Now you want to download this and simply run the downloaded Geforce Experience app and install it to your computer. So that's the first step you want to do. And then once that's installed, you want to log into Geforce Experience, and from there on, we'll proceed to update your Nvidia drivers. What you want to do is click up here where it says drivers, okay? And then over here where it says drivers, you want to click on check for updates. And then it's going to automatically check for updates. And as you can see, for me, it says you have the latest version of Nvidia Studio driver. And if it says that for you, that's great because you have the latest version. But if it doesn't, you can simply then click over here where it will say update. There'll be a green button saying update now, and you'll be able to update those drivers automatically, okay? Now, if you want to switch between the game ready driver and the studio driver, which as you can see, the studio one provides the best experience for creative apps, and the game ready driver provides the best gaming experience, you can also do that inside this app. Just simply click on either one of these and it's going to install it automatically onto your computer. So that's it. That's the easiest way to update Nvidia drivers in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.